Are you searching for the best Sony camera to upgrade your content creation game? Finding the perfect balance between crisp video performance and high-resolution photography can be tough. Let's dive straight into 5 exceptional options to lock in your ideal match today.
Product number 1, Alpha 7 IV Full-Frame Mirrorless Interchangeable Lens Camera with 28 to 70 mm. This true hybrid powerhouse is built for creators demanding zero compromises between elite stills and professional video. Flaunting a newly developed 33-megapixel back-illuminated sensor, it delivers breathtaking color depth alongside an impressive 15 stops of dynamic range. Film production receives a massive upgrade here, capturing pristine 10-bit 422 4K footage oversampled from 7K down to 30 frames per second. Focus breathing compensation eliminates irritating framing shifts during focal transitions, while advanced AI-driven autofocus locks effortlessly onto humans, animals, and birds. Bundled with a versatile 28 to 70 mm lens, this flexible setup easily transitions from moody cinematic landscapes to fast-paced studio interviews. A fully articulating touchscreen and robust 5-axis in-body image stabilization make handheld operations seamless, cementing its status as the ultimate workhorse for professional monetization.
Product number 2. A7 III Full-Frame Mirrorless Interchangeable Lens Camera. Widely recognized as a legendary industry benchmark, this full-frame masterpiece offers unparalleled performance at a price point that makes sense for growing businesses. Equipped with a highly sensitive 24.2 megapixel back-illuminated sensor, it excels in low-light environments, keeping digital noise to an absolute minimum. Fast action becomes a breeze using the lightning-quick 10 frames per second continuous burst shooting option alongside a massive 693-point phase detection autofocus matrix. Crisp internal 4K recording with full pixel readout ensures professional video quality right out of the box. Dual SD media memory card slots safeguard critical footage via instant backup recording, while an upgraded high-capacity battery yields up to 710 shots per charge. For professionals seeking elite sensor dynamics without overextending budgets, this reliable machine remains an unbeaten choice.
Product number 3, RX100 Premium Compact Camera. Proving that massive capability can easily slip inside your jacket pocket, this premium pocket-sized wonder redefines compact shooting. Anchored by a unique 1-inch type stacked 20.1 megapixel sensor, it achieves unprecedented operational speeds entirely free of viewfinder blackout at 20 frames per second. An integrated Zeiss Vario Sonar 24 to 200 mm zoom lens provides unparalleled focal range freedom, tackling wide street scenes or distant subjects effortlessly. Professional vloggers will appreciate the dedicated 3.5 mm external microphone input jack, ensuring clean audio capture to match beautiful 4K HDR footage. Real-time eye detection tracking holds focus dynamically on moving targets with extreme precision. It is the perfect choice for minimalist travel vloggers, mobile journalists, or secondary casual B-roll capture setups.
Product number 4. Alpha ZV-E110 APS-C Interchangeable-Lens Vlog Camera. Engineered specifically with high-traffic creators in mind, this interchangeable lens miracle elevates production standards without breaking a sweat. Stripping away the heavy, traditional electronic viewfinder, it opts for an ultra-clear, side-opening, vari-angle LCD display, optimized for easy framing while self-recording. A specialized product showcase setting rapidly shifts focus from faces to items held up directly to the glass, eliminating frustrating focus hunting delays. Exceptional audio clarity is achieved natively through a large 3-capsule internal directional microphone, complete with an included clip-on windscreen to mute breeze noise. The native 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor oversamples crisp 4K resolution video to maximize overall fidelity. Highly portable and effortlessly functional, it provides access to the vast.
Product number 5. Alpha A6400 Mirrorless Camera. Striking a phenomenal sweet spot between rugged construction and flawless autofocus reliability, this compact option remains a massive favorite worldwide. Highlighting a swift autofocus acquisition speed of just 0.02 seconds, it utilizes 425 phase detection points to instantly freeze action scenes. The 180-degree tilting LCD monitor flips up cleanly above the top frame, allowing creators to effortlessly monitor their solo framing parameters. Beautiful internal 4K movie recording with full pixel readout ensures that your uploads maintain distinct clarity and sharp color profiles. Encased in a sturdy, weather-sealed magnesium alloy chassis, it is built to endure harsh outdoor environments safely. Whether managing fast studio streams or harsh environment travel shoots, this device guarantees dependable, razor-sharp results every time.
Choosing your ideal model comes down to value and lifestyle needs. If you want maximum professional features, the top full-frame option delivers elite hybrid dominance. For pure vlogging on a budget, the specialized APS-C layout saves cash while retaining crisp output. Every option listed guarantees fantastic value for your specific content style. Check the links below to secure the best current pricing and start creating today.